Alright, so you have budget about $100 or £100, and you want to buy an audio interface, microphone, and headphones. Your budget is limit up to £100, $100, and you don't want to spend more. In today's video, I'll give you my recommendation. Disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. The companies don't have a clue that I'm making this video. I purchased these items by myself. So let's start first with audio interface. This is a Behringer UMC22. This is one of the best audio interfaces that I recommend. This thing is amazing for the price. This thing costs about $50 and I love it. So I recommend this audio interface if you're on a budget. Next, we have a headphones, because you need headphones. Without headphones, I mean, you can, but I think the setup will be much completed with the headphones. Headphones that I recommend: Newmark HF25, 40mm drivers. Man, this is amazing. I do recommend these headphones because they are very lightweight and they cost about £10. I almost dropped the microphone. They cost about £10, which is very cheap. Definitely recommend these headphones. Also, two microphones. So let me show you the first one. So if you're on the market for a cheap condenser microphone, you should check for Neewer NW-800. This is a very good microphone if you're on a budget. Amazing microphone for the price. And I do recommend it. The next microphone is from Behringer. This is the XM8500. This microphone is gonna cost you about $20. So it's very good for the price, and especially the build quality. It's all metal. I'm just blown away about this microphone, and probably gonna watch many videos and people saying this microphone is great. So let me know, what do you think about this, my recommendations. Also, I'm gonna give you a clip now. I'm gonna set up everything so you can hear what it's all about. So I'm gonna give you a test also for the microphone as well. So let's do that now. Alright, so the first microphone is the Behringer XM8500. And also, I'm wearing the headphones as well, so let me know, what do you think. I do like these headphones. They are very stylish, and the more important, the quality is amazing. So as you can hear, I'm going to show you that this is connected. So first, let me do that with one hand, just a second. Alright, so first, as you can see, we have the Behringer XM8500 connected to UMC22 audio interface from Behringer. And as you can see, we have pretty interesting, levels here, so pretty decent. And as you can see, the microphone is connected as well. I know this is not the most professional video, but what I'm trying to say is that sometimes, or most of the time, we always want the greatest and the latest. So as you can hear, for less than $100, you get amazing quality of gear for budget. I mean, you can hear it. This is great audio, and this is a dynamic microphone, which is one of my favorite microphones for the money. Something that I will recommend is always make sure use one of these, a pop filter, because once you mess with the plosives, then I mean, it's very bad to fix the audio later. But this is the sound with Behringer UCM22 and the Behringer XM8500. Amazing. simple, nice quality. This is great for podcast, great for gaming, great for anything, you name it. This is amazing. If you're on a budget, this is great personally gear to buy if you're on a budget. Now I'm going to show you the clip now with the condenser microphone. It's coming now. And now you're hearing the condenser microphone. This is the newer NW-800. And I do love the sound from this microphone. Obviously, with the condenser microphones, you need to have a well-built studio. Obviously, this is not, I'm talking about the proper treated room, because they're very sensitive of sounds around you. So if you have clicky keyboards or any noise, any fan, it will be in the recording. So let me know, what do you think? There you have it, guys. I'm so excited. I hope this video helps someone. And let me know, what do you think? Do you agree with my recommendation for budget studio? I can hear the plosives, so make sure you again use a pop filter or something, because the plosives are not very good. They're not very good friends. So let me know, what do you think? This is Stefan. If you enjoyed today's video, smash the like button. If anyone thinks that this is helpful, subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Leave a comment.